Hello YouTube, and today we are going to be playing the Minecraft Arena, which is awesome and stuff. Let's get started. So let's enter game. I'm playing on this is a very good app too. If you want to play Minecraft, well, you gotta get Minecraft first to play. But it's worth the stuff. So let's go ahead and invite the people who are coming. Well, anyway, this is the whole entire arena, and we're just going to, and my voice will sound super light on here, because, like, I have no idea why, but let's go ahead and give you the whole entire look of the arena. Let's do third person front. I'm sorry, I'm in this skin. I have a different skin. I will show you later. But here we go. Beautiful, isn't it? Gorgeous. Me and my friends designed this, and over here we have, I wish I knew how to work first person. Over here we have, over here, this way, yes. And over here we have the trading area. And since we don't have like the pet and gym version to make, because they make theirs awesome. And since we don't have that version, we use this version, where we have trade with the chest. Yeah. And then I'm just going to walk backwards. And then if we come over to this area right here, this is where we start. And let me show you how we do this, like as a lucky block mod. Instead of like having it in your hand and searching for it, you get to you have to search for it actually. And I wish I didn't just do that. Alright. I wish I could fly, but I can't. So let's go backward to where we were and back up. And over here is the starting area. So like when you want to, so let's go to start number 2. You open up the gate and run out. So go like that, and then like you go around. You can mine the stuff, but you kind of have to like get a pickaxe, and there's only 4 pickaxes around you. That's what makes it so difficult. Yeah. So then, like, the whole area kind of like this. Like, so, like, not all the chests are filled, and some of them are just filled with a bunch of trash. And whatever chest you pick, you have to get everything out of it. So, yeah, like, move. See, stuff like that, trash, but the meat, you can keep it, you have to take it. And you can mine stuff around here. I don't want to put these chests down, I don't even remember. But there's a memory. But I just wanted to show you this beautiful arena. And I hope you guys subscribe, watch my videos and stuff. Because hopefully these videos will be more successful. And then we're going to go ahead and I think we are going to go into third and back view, because I think that's what we need. So yep, let's hop up here. Look at that view. It's amazing. And bye! That's supposed to die. Okay. Oh, that's it for the video. Bye.